Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use lookup function in Microsoft Excel. If the data is available vertically, we use the VLOOKUP function. If data is available horizontally, we'll use the HLOOKUP function. But lookup function used in both situations. We don't have to define the column index number and row index number in lookup function. It will automatically get and understand. Start the lookup function. If I type here product name, it will get the cells from this data. Just type is equal to and type lookup. Lookup have a two syntax. We will use the second syntax. We have to define the lookup value and array. Lookup value is this syntax, comma, and array is this data, this table, and press enter. Now LCD cell is 500. Lookup get the 500 from this table. If I type here keyboard, it will get the cells from this table 200. If I type here scanner, now the cell is 300. If I use lookup function in horizontal data, it will get the same result. Just type is equal to lookup and lookup value is these cells, comma, and array is this table, and press enter. Keyboard cell is 200. It will get the result 200 here. If I type here LCD, it will get 500 cells. If I type here scanner, it will get the 300 cells. That's why we use the lookup function in Microsoft Excel. We don't have to define column index number and horizontal index number in lookup function. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.